Read all instructions and information prior to installation. Remove the existing mud flaps. Install the fast flap brackets into the existing mounting holes using the provided hardware. Install and tighten the lock nuts until they're snug. 10 foot-pounds of torque is all that is needed. Over-tightening the lock nuts may result in damage. Use a flathead screwdriver or a similar tool to pry open each bracket to install the mud flap. Make sure the flat tip of the screwdriver or tool rests on the flat portion above. Pry open one bracket and slide the flap into the opening. Repeat this process between the two brackets until the flap is fully engaged within the fast flap bracket. Not all applications require conspicuity tape, but if you are applying the tape, first wipe the surface of the fast flap bracket to remove any potential residue. Place 2 pieces of tape on each hanger, alternating between red and white.